Prevent accidental shorts or electric shock when jumpering HVAC circuits by always treating the circuit as live until you have verified it is de-energized and safe to work on. Before touching anything, first lock out and tag out the circuit at the service disconnect or breaker and verify de-energization with a properly rated voltage tester. Never rely solely on the breaker position. Use insulated jumper wires and insulated tools rated for the maximum system voltage, and keep jumper lengths as short as practical to reduce loop area and stray induction. When installing a jumper, first power down all related systems, then attach the jumper securely to terminals using insulated terminal boots or heat shrink to cover exposed conductors. Avoid wrapping bare wire around screws where insulation cannot fully protect it. If a jumper must be tested live, first assemble and test it on a non-energized bench or a known low-risk source to confirm correct polarity and secure connections so there are no surprises at the equipment. Maintain one hand in your pocket technique when working near live parts to reduce the chance of providing a path across your chest, and wear class-appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves and eye protection. Finally, document any temporary jumpers in your work order and remove them immediately after testing or repair is complete to prevent accidental energizing or leaving a hazardous condition behind. Common mistakes include assuming a system is de-energized because a nearby breaker is off. Always verify with a tester and lock out with a physical tag so others cannot re-energize the circuit while you are working. Another issue is using uninsulated or damaged test leads and tools. Replace worn leads, use rated insulated jumpers, and keep a small kit of bench-tested jumpers to avoid improvising on site. A third frequent problem is leaving temporary jumpers in place after troubleshooting. Treat temporary jumpers as hazardous and remove them promptly. Then note their use in the service record so the next technician is aware of what was done. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and gives contractors a place to find new work opportunities through our listings. We also host a discussion community where technicians and homeowners share tips, ask questions, and learn best practices together.